Welcome back to eCorigo Learning Management Platform. This is the continuation of the first part of Teachers module. In the first video we covered how to edit your profile, update your basic details, create a course and schedule them. In this video we will cover adding activities or contents, enrolling participants, adding gradebook etc. in the course. So, let's get started. Once your course is created, you can add participants and contents in your course by navigating to the navigation menu at the left-hand side of the page. Here, you can see there are menus like participants, badges, grades, and various sections to add contents. Now, before enrolling the participants, let's first focus on creating badges, editing grades, and adding contents in your course. Let's start with editing general description of the course at first so as to describe what the course is all about. In order to edit the content of your course, go to this gear icon at the right corner, click on it, from there click on Turn Editing on options so that the course is in edit mode. Once you have done that, the whole content will have pencil-like edit options. It will also show other options like drag icon, add section button, add an activity or resource button etc. Now, come to the General section and click on the Edit icon. You can see that you can change this topic as per your choice. So just type in a meaningful value and hit Enter. Alternatively, you can also update this course header area by clicking in the Edit button and then selecting Edit Section option. You will be landing in the summary page where you can change its heading as well as the course summary as per your needs. You can also add an image if you would prefer that. Scroll down, and click Save Changes. Voila, you can see the course description has changed. Let's navigate to Badges section. Here you can manage badges, or create new badges, that you as an instructor or a teacher would want to award your participants when they meet certain criteria while taking the course. For instance, if you want to award a badge of excellence to all the participants who secures more than 90% marks, then click on the Add New Badge, write a name like Badge of Excellence. Maybe version 1.0, a short description, maybe this badge is awarded for securing more than 90% marks in the course. And then choose your badge image and upload under Image section to make it look attractive. Now, fill in the issuer details, scroll down and click on Create Badge. You should be able to see the badge that you just created and associated it with the course. Moving on to Grades section, it will be automatically set up within a scale of 0 to 100. But, in case you want to change that, then click on the Scale tab and select Add New Scale button. Define the scale name, scale values like A, B, C, D etc. and save changes to be available when you add activities to the course, like assignments later in the course content sections. Next, we will be configuring the Announcements section of our course. That is the area where instructor can add any kind of updates to the course and the participants can view them. This acts like a forum or blog specific to this entire course or its sub-sections. Here participants can comment on what they feel about the course, star mark specific comments etc. Let's add a comment as a teacher for this demo. Click on the Announcements icon, you will land in the Announcements page. Here, we can add new announcements by using the Add New Topic button. Click on it and add a new subject with message. It will be available for your participants to view and reply. Let's go back to our course section. Now, if we like to configure other general activities like attendance, feedback on this course, we can do that by using the Add an Activity or Resource button available here. On clicking, we see that we can add their resources from this pop-up window. Just click on one of these resources and add them. Configure the resource parameters like name, description etc. Scroll down and save and return to course. You can see the resources successfully added. Similarly, you can add resources under the various sections available below. You can add new section also if required. Let's rename our sections to a proper name. Maybe like Chapter 1 or Chapter 2 etc. Hit enter to save the values. Now, to add resources, click on the Add an Activity or Resource button available on the right for each sections. On clicking, you will see a pop-up with list of available items to be added in the course. Let's choose File Maybe, click on Add. Now you will land into the General Settings and Upload File screen. Here you can give name to your file, maybe File 1, then scroll down to select File section and upload your file by dragging and dropping a file from your system or by directly clicking on this area, which will prompt you to choose File and upload the same. Once file is uploaded, scroll down and click on Save and Return to Course. You can see File 1 has been uploaded to course. Similarly, other resources can be added, but you have to configure this separately before making them available in the course so that the participants can view and learn from them. For instance, let us add another resource, maybe a video conference. We will be using Jitsi Videoconference plugin here in this demo. Select Date and click on Add. Now in the General Settings area of this video conference, give it a name, like VC for Chapter 1, scroll down, enable the availability and set other settings and click on Save and Return to Course. You can see a video conference is added in course. Now let's add one more item, maybe assignments. Go to Add an Activity or Resource again, click on it, select Assignment Element, click Add, set the name of the assignment, add your questions of the assignment under Additional Files, upload it. Scroll down to set its availability options like its allow submissions from, due date, cut-off date, remind me to grade by, etc. These options are self-explanatory. So, if you want to know in details what a particular option does, then like we know, just click on this help icon besides each item and you will know its functionality. Once you have set up all the parameters, scroll down and click on Save and Return to Course. You see the assignment gets added now. We don't need this section for this demo, so we can delete this by hitting on the Edit option, and then selecting Delete Section option. As editing the course and adding the contents are done, we can scroll back to the top, click on the gear icon and hit Turn Editing Off. So, your course is available now for adding participants. Now that the course is created and we have added resources, let's add participants to this course. To do that, go to the navigation menu, click on Participants. You can see you are already added as you are the course creator. Now let's add participants. Click on the Enroll Users button. In the enrollment option, we can either add learners one by one, by using this search drop-down. Or you can add a group of participants using the Select Cohorts options. Let's just use Select Users options for now. You can connect with your admin department to create system-level cohort group for your institution. So that if there are lots of students, then you can just use the group option under Select Cohorts. Once you have selected the participants, click on Enroll Selected Users and Cohorts button to enroll participants in the course. You can see the chosen students gets enrolled in the course. Congratulations, you have reached the end of the tutorial. Thank you for participating.